Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. We have a survey of students who were used to estimate the percentage of students who do homework in the evenings and the percent who watch television. Survey found that 52% did homework, 52 or 45 did homework and TV, and 75 did homework and or TV. Now, not mutually exclusive, and we can draw a Venn diagram to represent this. And because there's some that did both, we make sure those circles overlap. Really bad circles. I need someone else to draw these. Okay, so homework and TV are the labels on our two circles. Okay, now, if possible, if you have the and, that's where you want to start. And so we're going to put 45% on the overlap of the two circles. Now, they told us that 52% did homework, right? So that means everything in the homework circle should add to 52. So if we subtract the 45, we'll get the students in this empty area that only did homework, didn't watch TV. So that would be 52 minus 45, that's 7%. Only did homework, not watch TV. Okay, and then now that we have that, 75% did homework or watch TV. So everything in, because of or, it's homework or TV or both, everything in both of those circles would add to 75. So what we do to get the only TV, like this empty spot, we'd go 75 minus the 45 minus the 7, because everything in there has to add up to 75 within the circles. So if we subtract that, we should get 30 minus 7, 23. Okay, so 23 would be the number that goes there. And let's see what the question was asking. We do have a number outside of those circles, because if 75% did homework or watch TV, that means 100% were surveyed. If we subtract 75, we get the number outside of the circles. So we should have a 25% outside of the circles. Okay, now let's read what this said. Probability that a randomly selected student watched television only. And they wanted as probability, not a percent. So 23 is the number we got for the only TV part. So don't include the 45 because those guys did homework too. So 23, but remember that was a percent. So we just divide by 100 to get it back into a decimal like they want the answer. So the answer would be B, 0.23. Alrighty, hope that helped.